So, we have a big issue.
Yeah, big
How
problem.
to make and find allies to support each other in organizing for gender and land issues. Or justice. Gender and land justice.
Yeah, can I say that's fucked up?
Yeah, how are we gonna secure like long-term land access and like gender diverse collectives
Yeah.
to be involved?
I mean, it's so big because, like, if the causes of these are like
Lack
that
of
big,
land and,
yeah,
Also a lack of awareness.
Yeah.
Yeah.
and I guess the root of it all, just like patriarchy, or like how do we dismantle patriarchy? Maybe like one of the solutions or opportunities could be to join each other, or like to sort of find out like if there's different organizations that are like fighting these causes, maybe we can help each other out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
together like bridge towards this gender
Towards
and
this.
land justice.
yeah, but like, how do we visualize it? Like, I think it's pretty big right now.
I think like a lot of organizations are working very much in isolation, and they all have their own environments and like have their own tools and skills that they can bring to the table. But you know, if you work all in isolation,
Yeah.
it's very hard to
lonely
like
fight.
build this bridge.
What are these organizations like? What is?
Organizations working with minority issues, land issues, gender issues.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should map these organizations and make sure that we know all the different organizations that work on aspects of these issues.
That's so cool.
And maybe we should have a space where we could co-create and work together. Have an encounter maybe of these different.
So bringing them all together with all their tools and skills
That's a really
to
good idea.
collectively
Yeah.
go to this paradise
Wow.
of justice, like
Okay.
to get over this cliff that there's now.
And maybe if we need to continue to build this bridge to actually achieve this goal, maybe it should be like a yearly encounter.
Yeah, because we need continuity.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
That's it. Yeah.
Wow, well done, guys. You fixed it.